Okay, so I'm going to make a chocolate chip cookie now, but again we're going to use the zip top bags to make all of our cookie in. So really easy, so I can pre-weigh this before you come on your trip. So I've got my flours and my sugars already in there. We've melted the butter, we've got it back to being sort of room temperature, and we're going to add that with our egg into our bag. So let's pop in our melted butter. Let's pop in our little egg. And then we're going to mix this all together. So again, just give that a good old mix around, and that's going to make our really nice cookie mix. Make sure you get right into those corners down the bottom and make sure it's well mixed. Just going to let a little bit of that air out. There you go. And I can mix it a little bit easier now. And then halfway through, we're going to open it up. And then we're going to add in all these lovely dark white and milk chocolate chips there. So pop those in as well. Close the bag up. Now when it's all mixed, I'm going to release a little bit of that air, and then I'm going to push it into a sausage shape. Like that. And then we're going to roll that up, and then we're going to place that in the fridge and let that set, and it'll become sort of a bit more solid, and it's a lot easier to roll it into cookies. So this is one I prepared earlier, so we can take a little bit of the cookie mix, and again you could make all different sizes. But we're probably talking about 50 grams. Make it into a little, we call it a little puck, and then we can put it onto a baking tray. And then we'll pop them into the oven. You could make this mix as well beforehand, put it into a bag, and then you can take it already made, and then you just got to pull them out the fridge, make them into little cookies, and then we're going to go straight into the oven. And again, this mix will last for about a week, and you can just take it and cook it whenever you want, or you could just freeze it down whenever you want as well. So we're going to go straight into the oven. And I've got it on about 170 degrees, and they'll take sort of 12 to 15 minutes to cook. Okay, they're really good. So you can see now they're all lovely and golden brown. So we're going to leave them to cool down now, and then we're going to make an ice cream sandwich with them. So a little tip for your ice cream, we can actually cut the cardboard, and you've got the perfect disc there to go on your cookie. You could use an ice cream scoop, no problem, and push it down, but this is quite fun as well, especially if you're doing a few of them. So cut it like so. You've already got your disc, and then you can pop that onto your cookie, other cookie on top, and you've got the most amazing cookie sandwich.
Hi, I'm Zoe from the sales team, and I've been asked to come up and try this cookie made by Mark. Absolutely delicious.